Hi everyone, I'm Fiona. In this video, I will show you EPS foam cooler box mold for your reference. This mold for 1400 by 1200 type EPS shipping molding machine. It's our 6 cavities mold, include 3 boxes and 3 lids in the same mold. If there is something to say about this mold, the handle of this box is left with a long thin hole with a woven belt, so you can carry the EPS foam cooler box directly on the shoulder. All the EPS filling gun and EPS ejector installed in the backside of the lids to make the lid surface smooth and beautiful. The density of EPS foam cooler box is more heavy than the regular EPS vegetable box, regularly using about 20 to 22 kilograms per cubic meter. If you have any question for EPS cooler box mold, please let me know. Questions are great that give me ideas for future content. So, if you've got something you want to see me cover, let me know. Leave them in the comment section below. See you next video.